Alright guys, now we've got part 2, and in part 2 mostly we have maps, multiple choice questions, single or double, but if you are lucky in part 2 you can find sentence completion as well. That's on their menu, right? Sentence completion. So complete the table below, write one word only, no number, nothing else, single word will be your answer. New staff responsibilities, very simple. There are staff members and their responsibilities. Like they say, you have to serve the drinks, you will set the chairs, you are going to cook. So staff and their responsibilities. Okay. Now, name of the staff and their responsibilities. Question number 16. Jenny Reed. Jenny Reed is the name. Buying dash for the center. Underline the word buying. Now Jenny will buy something for the center. And what are the other words for buy? Purchase. Exactly. Purchase, buy, procure, bring, or anything like that. Okay. So just focus whatever Jenny is going to buy, that'll be the right answer. Okay. Let's see.
Okay, that's enough on the new layout. We'll walk around in a moment, but before we do, something about the people who are here to help you. Of course, all the staff will do their best to answer your questions, but now we're each going to specialise in certain areas. So, if you ask a staff member about something and they don't think they can help you enough, they'll direct you to our specialist. Jenny Reed is the person to see if there are any films you'd like us to stock, as she's taken over responsibility for purchasing those. I'd better warn you
that she's taken over the responsibility of purchasing those. And before those, they said films. Films, not film. To addi vaddi film hai. Okay, not that one. Films. And for films, they have used the word those. Please listen to this part again.
But now we're each going to specialise in certain areas. So, if you ask a staff member about something and they don't think they can help you enough, they'll direct you to our specialist. Jenny Reed is the person to see if there are any films you'd like us to stock, as she's taken over responsibility for purchasing those.
Okay, as she's taken over the responsibility of purchasing those. Okay, next is Phil Penshurst. Now, what is it that Phil is going to do? Help with writing dash for courses. Now, Phil will write something for the courses. Now, what is it that Phil is going to write for the courses?
Phil Penshurst can help you to improve your writing if you need to produce reports for your course. You can book a half-hour session with Phil to start with. Then, if you want more help, he'll arrange follow-up sessions with you.
Okay, reports. Please listen, answer came in the first part.
Phil Penshurst can help you to improve your writing if you need to produce reports for your...
If you need to produce reports, so help with writing reports. For writing, they use the word produce. Reports. Okay, Tom Salisbury. Information on topics related to dash. Related to. Underline the word related to. Okay. For example, information on topics related to politics. And for that, they can use the word about politics. Right? Let's see.
I must mention Tom Salisbury. Many people are interested in doing research or just reading about this region. The people, occupations, changes over the years and so on. Tom is a specialist in this particular field, so if you want any help, he can point you in the right direction. We've got a large collection of relevant documents, from old maps to studies of the wildlife.
Okay. No, yeah. answer came in the first part. First they gave the answer and then they elaborated that word. Sometimes they do this thing. They will give you the answer and then they elaborate that word. Please listen to it again.
I must mention Tom Salisbury. Many people are interested in doing research or just reading about this region.
Reading about this region.
The people, occupations.
Now, people, occupations, all these things are related to region. So answer is not people's, occupation. Answer is region. Exactly. When they talk about 3, 4, 5 things and you see which is the right word, what they speak before that, that is the right answer. Okay, Saeed Akhtar. Wow, they've got Saeed Akhtar, ex-Pakistani cricketer. No, Saeed Anwar. That was Saeed Anwar. Huh? Yeah, Saeed Akhtar. Huh? Okay. No, it's not history. Listen. Answer is very clear. Answer is clear. Listen.
Tom Salisbury. Many people are interested in doing research or just reading about this region. The people, occupations, changes over the years and so on. Tom is a specialist in this particular field.
Now, what is particular field? Region. Region means area, country. Listen. For example, we are talking about Pakistan. If I say he is expert in this region, what does it mean? He knows about people, he knows about population, he knows about religion, he knows about demographics and all that. So answer is very clear when he says this. Listen please.
Many people are interested in doing research or just reading about this region. The people, occupations, changes over the years and so on. Tom is a specialist in this particular field.
Tom is a specialist in this particular field and the field is region, this region. Question, huh? No, that's not the answer. You cannot say that. Related to the research, no. Question number 19, Saeed Akhtar, finding a dash. Now, what's the other word for finding? Searching, looking for, look for, and all that. Or they may use the word need something like that.
We have a new member of staff, Saeed Akhtar. I'm sure you'll meet him soon and will find him very helpful. If you're unemployed and want some advice on the practical aspects of looking for a job, Saeed is the person to talk to.
Okay, looking for a job. Saeed is the person to talk to. Answer is job. Next they have Shilpa Desai. Shilpa, not Sheila. Shilpa, yeah. Help with dash. Help with. Now Shilpa Desai will help with something. And underline the word help. For help they can use the word information. Like she will give you information about. She will give you advice about. Advice, information. Or she will assist you. Assist you, guide you. Something like that. So help with what?
Many of you will know Shilpa Desai, who's been working here for about 5 years. Shilpa now has the additional responsibility of giving information and advice on anything to do with housing, such as finding out what's available.
Housing. Housing. We don't say housing. S will sound like Z. Housing. H-O-U. S-I-N-G. S-I-N-G or H-O-U-S-E-I-N-G. E will be omitted, double vowels, okay? Housing will be the right answer. Okay.